Hey everyone, it's Min with Just For You Crafting, and today I am very excited to be bringing you my very first ever video tutorial and super pumped up to be sharing it with everyone. So let's get to it. What I am showing you here is my Cricut Cuttlebug, which I use for embossing as well as die cutting. The Cuttlebug itself is very compact, yet it carries a great weight to it, so it doesn't move around on you when you are using it on your workspace. The Cuttlebug itself has a built-in top handle, which makes it easy to carry around. The handle on the side does swing out and tuck itself back in when you are finished using it. So again, it adds to that compact size and very, very easy for storage. It's definitely my go-to favorite tool that I use here in my craft room on all of my paper projects. The two doors that you see facing you do fold out when you are ready to use it. When you do fold it out, it does create a suction to your workspace. Again, so it doesn't move around on you when you start your project. So it's very simple to use, very easy, portable, and easy to store. The three plates that I'm showing you right now are what's included in the Cuttlebug. They're your A and B plates. They are your cutting / filler plates. And the purpose of these guys is to sandwich in your embossing folder, and when you roll it through the Cuttlebug, it creates a snug fit, which helps the pressure be evenly applied to the embossing folder, which will result in a clean, crisp, raised, embossed image. And it's great that the Cuttlebug does include these three plates. As you can see, my B plates are well used. I guess it's like a badge of honor when you show them off, that you can see lots of scratches and stuff like that. It doesn't affect the project. It just shows that they don't sit on your shelf and collect dust, that you actually use them. The plate that I'm showing you here is the C plate, which is optional. It's not included. It's primarily used for die cutting. The die cut frames are much thinner than the embossing folders, so the C plate is necessary to fill in that gap of extra space to ensure that snug fit when you are rolling your die cuts through. I will be doing a additional video at some point just showing you how to die cut, but today we're just going to focus on embossing. This folder here is one of the embossing folders that is also included with the Cuttlebug. When you open that folder, one side of it is raised, and that's where you're going to get your embossed image from. And now I'm just going to show you how easy it is to use this machine. We take our A plate as the bottom layer. We'll grab a single B plate, lay it on top of the A. Then we'll grab our embossing folder and cardstock and slide that on top of the B plate. We're going to finish this sandwich by taking the second B plate, laying it right on top, and then you'll slide it into the Cuttlebug. It'll catch on its roller, and once it does, it'll be ready to be cranked through. What I like to do is crank it once through, then I crank it back toward me just to ensure that pressure is evenly displaced on the card. And as you can see here, this is what the finished product looks like. The raised design is very clean and crisp. It's a great detail to add to your cards. It just gives it that extra depth and dimension, and it just gives that finished professional look to all of your cards. And here I'm just quickly showing you a wide variety of other embossing folders that are available with different patterns and designs. I wanted to take time to talk about these embossing folders because they're not all made by Cricut for the Cuttlebug. They're from different manufacturers, which is great because it keeps the cost down, that the Cuttlebug can use other embossing folders. These folders here run between $1 to like $5 each. They definitely get their fair share of use because of the different patterns and designs. And basically that's how you use the Cuttlebug with the embossing folders. Again, I just want to reiterate how simple it is to use this machine. It is one of my favorite go-to tools here that I use in my craft room. Look forward to some more tutorial videos. Hope you enjoyed this one. Give a thumbs up if you do. Definitely leave comments if you want to see something else, if you have any ideas on my next video. For more information as well as some pictures and my finished products using the Cuttlebug, check out my blog, and I will see you next time. Thanks for tuning in.